All right. Oi! Let's go, baby. If I can find this shit, there we go. I'm live on YouTube right now. Can I type? You don't want to miss this one because it's Power Hour. Power Hour, and we're getting alerts going off. What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? It's Friday. It's Super Bowl weekend. The rain has stopped. The sky is blue. And the market is sitting past all-time highs right now currently. So right now I got the DXY pulled up. DXY made a nice move last Friday. And currently we're fading off of these highs that the dollar made. So when the dollar is dropping, the stocks are popping. SPY took some 498s, I believe, last Friday. My last stream that I was live, I believe I took some 498s, and this is what happened. Power Hour, the February 2nd. So I didn't take my gains. I tried to roll it over into this following week, and I got crushed. So I took it out there, right? And as you can see, my price target was 498, and we now are currently sitting at 501, which would have been an easy bag, right? All good. So right now, currently I'm in a Rumble. I'm in Rumble. I gotta pull it up over here on my other monitor. Rumble is another live streaming platform, and I guess it's like one of the hot ones right now because it is like, it's not as what am I trying to say here? It's not as filtered. Like, you can be more like open on there and like talk about whatever you want. I didn't really trade today. Haven't made no trades. The Rumble play that I'm in, it expires on the 23rd of this month. So I'm in some 8.50 calls, $8.50 calls on Rumble. So that means that I'm banking on Rumble to be going to the upside, right? So right now I'm looking at the hot list, and we can see that Palantir, Mara, Tesla, AMD, ARM, Amazon, Riot, Snapchat, Carnival Cruise Lines, Ford, Nvidia, AT&T are the most traded names today, right? So what this tells me is that there's a lot of momentum and volume being pumped into these names. So that means that there's going to be a lot more price action. Price action meaning that we're going to have, some moves like this. So today, I didn't trade the SPY today, which was a mistake, right? Friday, New York open bell, 6:30 a.m. 498.60. So we were sitting above my price target. We came out of a range, and the market was just like not trying to, run past these all-time highs in the market, right? And what happened was the market was just going sideways. And when the market's going sideways, it's like it's not really a time that you want to be in the market because, you can just get chopped up, get caught up in the trash, right? I had some buy alerts go off for gold. I traded gold Wednesday, and this was a really good play. The only thing that I did wrong here was I didn't take my profits up here. I trailed my position from 2035. I secured my win right here, 2037, and I don't know. I thought it was gonna keep running. I thought gold could keep running, but I mean 2040 was my target. I didn't have my TP set, so that's on me. So I kind of took breadcrumbs from this trade I was in, and I don't know why I thought it could go a little bit higher. We filled the imbalance slightly, well, a fair value gap or whatever, right? So a fair value gap is like just a big move. We just one shot, one kill, and the market always has to pull back, right? Because you see it came down into my my zone here, came down here after a major sell off, and it went back up to come back down, to go back up, to go sideways, right? And then made a nice move Tuesday. I think I missed this move Tuesday. And then what is this? Asia sesh. No, this is Asia right here. And then London, and then New York. I caught this nice buy. My only trade of the day for Wednesday. Did that. Got out of the market. Wednesday, nice reversal pattern right here. This is Thursday morning, 3 a.m. Came down to a nice buy zone, right? Right into my bots. Slide this over. We got a nice wick low right here. Nice support, telling me that's a nice area to try and buy and hold these low. Damn, gold is fucking moving right now. Right? Okay. So boom, boom, boom. What we call this is a triple bottom. Right? I was gonna take this 2023 break, like whenever my alerts were telling me, but I just got back from the gym. I was trying to really get myself together. I've been working on trying to take less trades lately. As you can see here on my alert log, I had my shit set. 2023. I wanted to see 2023 break. So it broke, right? It broke. I would have took this, but I wanted, I'm trying to play it really safe. But I set this alert because I did miss the first move here, which was at around, I think I got up at 9. Yeah, because I left the gym around 11. So yeah, I was up. So I wanted to see how it was gonna react off of this 2023 level, and it made a nice fake out to come back down into my buy zone here, and then I just straight up missed the move here, and then my alert was just twerking right here, and it finally took off to 2026, and my initial targets for gold were 2027. This was a nice sell right here around 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, I'm not in any trades right now other than Rumble. Rumble's looking pretty good right here. one of my homies alerted me about this trade right here back on January 31st, but I didn't play it at the time because I was already in something else. I don't really like to trade too many different names at the same time, just because it's like, I don't know, just a lot of emotions for me to manage. Based on how the stock is performing. So I like to kind of just, narrow it down, trade, not too many names. And, trade what the hell is moving, you know what I'm saying? Palantir, Mara. So Bitcoin's moving right now, guys. Bitcoin is going crazy. We're pushing back up to that 50,000, sub 50,000. Yeah, date 4 hour. So right now, guys, I'm doing all my chart work on TradingView. I highly suggest that you guys get on TradingView before you do anything. I actually talk about like how I first started off just trading and not using TradingView and some of my other past streams, so you can probably go and check those out. But the quality on there is really bad. I just got a new little setup going here, and I think it's some of my best quality right now. So this is my second stream for the year so far. I'm trying to find a time frame to where I can do this probably consistently, right? But back to Bitcoin here, Tuesday. So we had Bitcoin, going sideways, like I was just showing you guys how gold was going sideways, right? So, I mean, these are some cool moves you can take, like Sunday, this past Sunday, the 4th. I don't know my military time like that, man. Sunday. I'm not even gonna keep it a buck, bro. I don't know what time that was Sunday. But yeah, so this is probably like Sunday night. Probably around like 6-7 p.m. We had a nice run on up. I don't even think I had an alert set for Bitcoin. Let me check if I did on my other one. Where you at? Nordstrom. I had SPX. Yeah, I was on SPX and Gold primarily for the week. I wasn't really looking for nothing crazy. And we got Tesla back at 192. Rivian is another name that I really like. Nice move yesterday. But staying on Bitcoin here, right? So we went sideways Wednesday. We broke out of this range, right? So this is our top of the range. This is what I call the midpoint. And then this is what I call the bottom. And this is Bitcoin. Looking at it on the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we can make it more simple. Yeah. So the daily, you know what I'm saying? Just less candles because it's just showing me what it did for the day, right? And so what I was referencing here was that I wanted to target this imbalance, right? Because like I was just showing you guys on gold, this is the daily. Like I was just telling you guys about gold, there is a gap, like, one shot, one kill. So Bitcoin, right? One shot, one kill. This is the Bitcoin spot ETF news where they rug pulled everybody and, made a big move because everyone was so like antsy to buy in for the ETFs. Luckily, I wasn't a part of that. But usually when Bitcoin makes, some new moves, like a new high, it's usually gonna sell off, right? They want to, make people buy in, you know, like what they're doing now, currently. So, what I'm saying? Like we sold off, right? That was all of January. This was January 11th, and now today is what, the 9th. So it took us almost a month to recover the move. So if you were patient enough to, buy low, right? Tuesday, January 23rd, I wanted it to come just a little bit more down to like 38. But I mean, honestly, 38.6, 38.7, 38.9 to 38.6. That's, yeah, 38.9 was too high. But this was a good zone for it to come in and bounce off of. But you know what I'm saying? Like we were just shy. Just shy. I don't know if you guys can hear me if my fucking mic is on. Hope it's on. I don't even know. Shit. Damn. Fuck, my fucking mic was off this whole time? No way. That's so whack. Damn. Well, I'm in no trades right now. I'm in no trades right now, guys. Sorry about that. 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 Oh, wow. Gee willikers. Oh, wow. Gee willikers. All right, so anyways, man. So Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying? We're here going sideways, right? Consolidating, building up to make this fucking monster move that it made, right? So what I was saying is that Bitcoin sold off here from when it had news, and it's taken this move to recover, in a month's time span, damn near, right? So I was pretty sick that I missed this breakout, right? Because once it broke the top of the range, right? So this is what I call the top of the range, the midpoint, and then the bottom of the range. This is essentially where you want to buy. You know what I'm saying? Like we come out of the range, fake out like we're gonna keep going, and then we come back in. You want to buy low. You want to sell high. You want to sell high. You want to buy low. Right? We faked like we were gonna break out Wednesday morning, New York open, right? 6 p.m. As you can see here, down at the time, right? Build, and then Wednesday, 8 a.m. break out of our consolidation box, come on back down a little bit. It would have been too easy if it came back into our bots to take this buy long. But what we could have did here was we could have waited for a break and retest, right? That's what I like to call a breakout. And then so a breakout is like they're trying to trap buyers right here with that. And what you do is you buy low in all areas in the market, right? So even though we're out of our bots, we make a new one here, right? So this is our top and this is our bottom. You like to buy low, and if you can't catch the bottom, you want to wait for another break and retest, and this would be a very nice entry to just set and forget, right? So from 43 cents on Wednesday afternoon, 12 p.m., right? Same time that's going on here, we, just fucking push. And I missed it. I didn't have no alerts set. All I was getting was notifications. Bitcoin up 300 points. 5% move today. I'm at the gym. 48,000 Bitcoin. I'm like, holy shit. I wonder if anyone in here knows that right now. Did anyone get that notification like me? Right, so now, to try and find a position now is like not the best thing to do. You want to be patient. So what I'm gonna do here is, if let me turn off these gold notifications, because gold might be done. We grinded on our trend line here, and I just got a notification. My last one was around 12:05. It's 12:30, so we're running out of time here to find a trade. Oh man. Got the iPad right here. Let's pull up our broker. So the cool thing about Bitcoin is that, you know what I'm saying, we can trade this shit all day, anytime. So I'm gonna be looking for a Bitcoin move up to, you know what I'm saying, like 50K for the weekend. There's gonna be a lot of money flowing in the economy this upcoming weekend, Super Bowl Sunday. A lot of people are gonna be spending money in Vegas. It's the first Super Bowl in Vegas, and people are excited. I'm excited. I want to go. I haven't been to Vegas since 2020. So, like I was telling you guys, right? They trapped a lot of people up here. They sent me that notification to try to get me to fucking buy in. Once I see that I'm getting notifications about, like, price, where price is at, that's telling me to literally do nothing, right? So I got this notification of the 48K breakout 2 hours ago, and wow, old me, a younger Noah, would have tried to fucking buy in. And that would be some crazy drawdown to be recovering from right now. But so Friday 6 a.m. we sold off, right? Beautiful sell off from a fucking monster move. Beautiful time to get in, buy in here, because you see we've came down and made support. So here was our first leg. Here's our second leg off of a retrace, and then here was our third leg off of a nice little first run up, and then we came back down to retest this area, and now we're running again. So this is literally what you do, man. You just wait for price to set itself up, right? It's as simple as that, baby. Sometimes it's not gonna be picture perfect, just like how I was telling you guys about where is it? This right here, right? Like it didn't have to come back in there because we had this little move here, so we, what I'm saying, range, and then we broke out, range, breakout, range, breakout, range, breakout, dump, breakout, retrace, range, breakout, flush, breakout, range, breakout, consolidation, breakout. You see what I'm saying? What are we doing? So we call this is what you call an upwards channel. And I want to punch in a trade here. The impulsiveness in me, but it's Friday. I want to, have a good weekend. I don't want to take no silly losses. So the best thing that I can do for Bitcoin right now is just set an alert at 47,465. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go in, add an alert, 47,465. Look to buy. Bam. Now this alert can go off anytime. And we have 22 minutes left in the day here. So essentially, I do want to see us break lower. I don't need to pull that up right now. Man, I haven't traded on my iPad in a while, which is probably the best thing I can do because I'll be on my phone and just start getting fucking distracted. So I'm logged in here on my broker right now. I got my alert set for Bitcoin, right? So if it comes down here, see how it just made that fucking that bottom wick? We got our 30-minute. Oh, we already have our 30-minute close. So yeah, okay. So we're in an upwards channel, right? Bigger time on the, bigger time frame. Our daily, it's kind of ugly. But, the daily, we're bullish. 1, 2, 3, we're bullish, right? It's clearly going up. 4 hour is, buyers are getting a little bit weak. Let's not look to buy. Let's change that. Let's say buyers are weak. Weak bulls. Right? And then we can really, if we can catch Bitcoin here at like a sub 47K, and then, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Really, like, it could really, it could come back in here. It could just, just straight violate that, come back down to our trend line in the channel, and just, just fucking pull back, right? But we don't have a bottom wick here, no bottom wick here. So that's just telling me that, how strong this channel is that we are in to the upside. So essentially, I would like to see us break through this resistance after maybe coming down just a little bit more, and then take out this liquidity up here that was created 2 hours ago, like how I just showed you guys. So okay, that's enough for Bitcoin right now. If it breaks out, like I'll just miss that move. But the NASDAQ, we're sitting at all-time highs. I haven't really been trading the NASDAQ anymore like that. I've been trading S&P. If I have it on here, I don't even have it on here. It's weird. Gold, I usually don't trade gold like around this time because like the volume is kind of like, dying off. I already missed the trade already, like once. I missed it twice. I missed it 3 times now. Like, wow, and this was just recently. Well, I was starting to stream up here, so that would have been a really nice one here to catch. I think that alert did go off. Nice exit up here with some top resistance, right? This line that I have here was a very significant level for my buys over here earlier in the week. But yeah, we can see gold probably do something crazy Sunday open. Damn, you know what? The market is the forex market does open early on Sunday. Gotta account for that. I might have some alerts set, but essentially I do want to see. Well, we can move this because this is violated from this was a news move, so we can go ahead and move this on over. This is the dollar DXY on the 4-hour time frame. We're getting a nice move here on S&P. I don't know why I don't even have this shit on here. Literally just had it on here. Let's go with and 50.22. That's close enough. So this is the dollar coming down off of making some nice moves higher, coming down off of 104. Double top right here. Major area of resistance. Nice support area. And it's looking like the DXY wants to stay up here and hang out. Right, okay, now my money maker. SPY. SPX. All that. So yeah, the 498 calls. I was on mute earlier, you guys. So I had a 498 position last Friday, and as you can see, it retraced, made a support, played it with us all week, and then we gapped up Wednesday. Pushing past 498 would have been a absolute banger. So now what I do is I leave the options chain alone, right? I trade SPY in the options market. We're clearly bullish. It's 1 hour. We've made an impulsive move this morning at 5 a.m. You know what I'm saying? Getting this out of well, we already climbed past all-time highs, right? So we ranged Thursday night, London, and then we broke Friday. Impulsive move, New York Open, chop sesh. And then the only trade to make right here, 9 a.m. Right? So we are gonna, you know what I'm saying? We could flush. We could flush. So sales look really good to me right now. Just short term, going against the trend. It's not really recommended to do that, but we have the 15-minute candle closing here in 40 seconds. We're retracing up some nice highs. I'm gonna go ahead and set my lot size on my broker. Got SPX pulled up on my broker right now. We already filled this liquidity grab, right? We ran over the liquidity grab, made some new highs. So this is a new price point. So this is uncharted territory. We got 15 seconds here on this close. So if you look left, we have nothing left because we have never been in this territory before, right? So we have 7 seconds coming up on here on the 15-minute close. We're in uncharted territory. Let's see how we're going to close right here. Okay, going lower, right? So we made our high, retrace, and a beautiful sell, double. Trap these bulls right here. Come on down, trap them again. Come on down. Nice area of support right here. So we can go ahead and mark this wick up right here. This is 12 o'clock. This is our 1 minute time frame right now. So 1 minute, I go to the small time frames to try and find me a little entry, right? Significant area right here. And we could potentially try to hop in a buy right here to stay following the upwards trend. because we are ultimately bullish. We are, you know, just coming down off of our highs. Man, these wicks are kind of like, these were really the moves to make right here, honestly. So 50, 22. I have 50, 21 on my broker. Man, yeah, these are, man, honestly, the moves were already like made. We're not gonna get really too much, but we have something called the imbalances. Let me go ahead and pull up my news source here, Trader TV Live. Let's see what they're talking about right now. Forex.com. Give me some insight real quick. Just try and catch a little move. And we are sitting, we have, you know, a 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches right now. So I got 50, 22 on my broker. And I'm essentially going to try to look for a quick scalp position. Maybe I can, you know what I'm saying, hold this bad boy. But essentially I want to see something like, I want to see, you know what I'm saying, something like come on up here and maybe come back down and then into the weekend, maybe. I don't know. I don't really want to hold anything in the week over the weekend because I did just take an L.
It will affect individual names because if Oracle has a big buy on it, which let me just see, we could sort alphabetically. So element.
Okay, yeah, let me keep my eyes on my Rumble. I'm in a Rumble call. Yeah, we're doing good. I like how we're holding 789.
Right, and so maybe it'll come even a little bit bigger, and we can flush this thing down, or it just comes and it's a moot point. Like when you have 60,000 shares there. As a possible sell into the close, like that's just one print, and that doesn't even have to.
So if we break 50, 22.8, buy on closure.
You can see here, Suncor has a little bit, so it looks like there's a lot of energy names, Rig, XOL.
Setting these alerts are really clutch, guys, because, you know, sometimes you can, you know what I'm saying, I can be looking away, I can look at my phone, someone can call me, I can get a message, and, you know, that'll just throw me off.
See, this is another reason you have to watch The Wire. Lester is one of the most... Dude, Lester would have been the best trader. What was his name? Alfred? In all the Wire.
So it's looking like, you know what I'm saying, we have some heavy resistance here. The market is indeed pulling back off of, you know, major moves for the week. So we can go to the weekly, and we can see that, you know, buyers are running out of gas here.
True Detective, we started watching, and I was okay with it in the first episode. We didn't really
look at the weekly.
And I heard it just gets...
All I needed this week was one trade. Well, this is back in the 15th. Support area here. The 29th. And then here's our weekly. Monday the 5th. And now today is the 9th. Okay.
Just so that I can get it out of the way.
So we got the imbalances coming up here. This is what I have these guys on here for, to let me know like what people are doing with their shares. So, you know, people like to sell off. People like to buy. Let's see.
Down there, real traders don't need quotes or orders right now. So if you are a real
DraftKings is coming on down. Nordstrom sitting above 19, which is very good. That shit that I'm in is cooked. Okay, so we're rejecting. We still have resistance here. Okay. So let's see.
Yeah, we talked about that on the last podcast.
That's why.
Yeah, you can do it. You can. You just go get one and expect it. And then I'll just we'll wear it here live on the show. But the thing is like,
I need to change this.
I don't know how it works.
So this is our swing high. Down there it is.
Don't you have to have an app?
Yeah.
So we'd have to build a trade.
We'd have to build something.
Yeah, that's different.
There wouldn't be any trading platform
0.29.
that already had something. So that would be coming eventually.
Beautiful. Now can we get a closure above? See, it came in. We could have took that buy.
I think he's
I think it's the right thing to do. Is
He
to buy.
usually waits
I- like
until
that.
it's out for a little
That
bit.
looks
Because
shit.
my dad.
Oh,
That looks really
yeah.
nice.
I'm not an Apple person.
Could have our stop loss around 50, 20. Stop me out.
Once enough people are using it.
Yeah, I feel like that makes sense.
Yeah, that
as
would have been a
well.
nice
I'm gonna do
one right there to
everything
catch
else,
real quick,
yo.
and you know what I'm saying, shut it down.
Oh, Shooter McGavin
But-
was in the chat before.
You know what I'm saying? I like to play it a little bit more safer. We got some bottom widths here on my
Oracle
broker
made a
right
move down.
here.
I don't know. We'll get that number from Brenda.
TLT sell 3 million.
You have it up.
SU.
Okay, here we go. This is what I wanted to see, right?
1.3 to sell. Intel
This
was
is what I wanted to see
this
to
is
play
why I
it
wanted
safe.
to go long.
So here,
2.1 billion to sell. Billion. And billion.
What?
Just-
Okay,
doesn't look
well,
like
that's
I mean,
not affecting any.
Disney
Okay.
780,000 sell. Like this is
What?
like, where's the 2 billion coming from? Apple to
Wiki.
sell 600,000. Amazon sell. I guess.
Okay.
I guess you add them all. You add them all.
But that, the number that he gives us is only NYSE. So.
Yeah.
But
But like
it won't include Amazon.
exactly, Disney's the only big.
See what we can get.
BAC.
I think we can get one right here, guys. I think we can cook one up real
By
quick.
the way, we have 10% of Snapchat.
Oh,
and not
shit.
more. I just got out of
There
it.
it is.
I just was like, you know what? We're already
50,
we're still here at
25.
4. We
Fuck.
get out at 8.
Yep, that was it
on
right there.
Snapchat. Whatever. It's a good trade. We're up on Snapchat today. Buy someone a coffee. Okay, Oracle right now. Let's just see what happens. This is the short.
Try
We
and
like the
take
short.
out.
We broke it down. Thank you, Darwin. And
Yeah, that
Ryan
was
and
that
all
was the
nice talk
target
there
right
when
here.
we were breaking this down, and everyone.
Because
understood what
look,
I was looking at.
we are trying to. They are trying to
Up to the 50
flip
period
us.
average. We like to do that kind of stuff.
They're trying to flip the
Our
trend.
best fill though is a 60 fill, so we can get it right now. Again, if we want it, I might as well.
So,
put something out on the bid now. and
yeah.
get something a little bit lower. But again, thank you for watching.
Play it
My
safe.
stop now is at break even, so we break through 75. We'll get over that one.
Nice move right here. Let's see if we if we can push. See if we can push.
Okay. Yeah.
On that
I
Bobby
don't know. He
Womack.
normally calls the show. I don't know why he's calling me here. But all right, so that's that. We'll just move on, man. We didn't have a trade in
Pushing.
Warren today. I tried
Brokers
to put a
showing me
trade
some
on there. I put
gaps.
the wrong- I made the
We're at
two-step
50,
error there.
25.
Put it up here, so I'm immediately
This is
buying
a
it.
midpoint
So,
area.
trade on win, which is kind of a
Buy
good
low.
thing. If the market had more
Midpoint.
time, I feel like this name is a good short. Depending on where we are right now, you're above VWAP.
Okay.
You got
Come on back
potential
down.
upside.
Okay, but looks like we're
I
trying to
do
stay
like
in
this
trend
though,
here
on
for the
where it's down.
sells.
They had a
Off
great
of, you know,
report
already
the other
fucking
day,
major
but
fucking
again,
moves.
It is losing
Right.
some wind right now as it's coming back down in, and we'll just see 110 was a great spot, and we almost got there.
Okay, so we got to spin top. We got the dollar
and we did.
still
Then
coming
we
on
failed.
down.
It's kinda like the
Okay,
other way
now
around.
we can
You get to a
tap
level
this
that
area
people
again. We can
expect you to
potentially
break
get in long here.
that I could see a pullback into the 200.
But if we hold up here,
to the 50 here,
we can
or,
take out this high.
when you go
As simple as that, bro.
if
We did miss our low area by 50.21. 2 points,
Don't raise
Thing
rates.
is, like I told him last night, I got a podcast. And
5 points.
Thoughts on NY? Yeah, he is going to be coming on. Stay tuned for a later episode with Jerome Powell on our podcast. All right, so NYCB again here. We will be talking about this. We talked about it last
And just
week.
like that, baby.
Again, another failed bank here, regional bank.
All we need.
Probably not enough liquidity to survive. We'll see.
So now it's showing me that it wants to stay in this
Obviously, they came out. Their earnings
Stay in this,
down 650, which was this
reversal.
so
Beautiful fucking sell right here, baby. We top our target and then we, violate it. Okay, let's see what we can get here.
CB to the downside, but up 15% now today.
5 minutes.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to talk about it too much right now because I don't know that much about it and what's rallying this name again. But maybe they found some liquidity down there to sort of offset some of their interest loans. But if not, then
Okay.
more of a downside move there for NYCB moving on. So yeah, how did Bitcoin? What are you looking at? PayPal?
PayPal actually
One
got
try. This could be. Oh shit. Wow. We just ran it right over.
9% upside on PayPal.
Sheesh. We ran that shit right over, baby. Damn.
PayPal, you got the 50 and the 200. which
No.
is,
You see how that shit
I
is,
feel like if that happens,
bro.
it's been
The precision is so like on point. It has to be on fucking point, right? It barely fucking. It wicked out our fucking alert.
There wasn't a heck of a lot going, but I think this is probably one of the stronger ones. The simple fact that Square's going the other way, the shareholder. I don't know a lot of Square, but I held on to after things
50.22 to an impulse spike to 27. Another 5-point move there.
If it can make a breakout of that,
And my broker showed me.
which will also
My
be
broker
just
gave me
underneath that
50.23.14.
Gotta happen. But the good thing about breakouts, and I say this every single time, the good thing about a breakout is you don't have to worry.
So we just violated the Bears. The Bears are violated.
Maybe you can find a bit by 58 or 56 on it next week, but I'll be more interested.
Yeah, bro, this shit is that quick. Like you gotta have fucking fast hands, man.
But I don't really see what's so interesting about SoFi today. Yesterday,
because I usually just like to do instant market execution. But if I would have set the order, a buy order, and just got filled instantly, I mean it's a lot smoother to trade like that. But these, it wouldn't have got picked up anyway because, you know what I'm saying, they didn't even fucking, they didn't alert us.
We give trading advice here if you want.
Man, I can't believe my mic was off, but that shit don't even matter because I wasn't talking about getting into nothing anyway. I was just like showing you guys what the hell was going on. But yeah, baby, 10-minute move right here.
We appreciate the super chat. Didn't they just say they're going bankrupt?
1-2 punch.
I'm pretty sure they just said they're going bankrupt. Well, be careful with that name, everybody.
So here's our one try.
We're not here to pump any stock.
One try bulls, 2 try on bulls. So actually, you know, this is our 1, 2, 3, and it's looking like we are creating a range. Creating a range.
I better cancel. I have some orders here. All right, let's cancel. Yeah, I gotta cancel all these orders. I almost with my Snapchat order.
So we got 3 minutes left until New York closes, and gotta make sure my Rumble plays is looking good. We smacked 8 and rejected 8 on Rumble. Ticker symbol RUM. I'm in Rumble for some calls.
Basically flat. Look, you know, the walk and talk today, which we put up there on Twitter, clearly,
okay,
if you go listen to it, I won't do that
so
now.
I guess
now I was literally,
I guess the imbalance is people are selling the shares because, you know, the market's at all-time highs. They want to take their profits out of companies like Apple. Oh wow, see, Apple rejected 190. Beautiful. See, gold ain't doing nothing. These are the big boys right now moving. So, sell high, midpoint, buy low. Okay. This is some good price action right here to end the week off, to be honest. And that might be it, guys. That might be it. I might be able to take a buy right now. And you know what? You fucking know what, boy? We might be able to do some funny shit. Where's our high at? Where is that? We don't want to buy. So our high is 50.30, 50.30, 50.27. Double top. We have a slight double top here. Let's see. Ideal entry was right here on this double bottom, but you know what I'm saying, we coming back down, staying in the trading range. We're on the midpoint. Gonna grind it out right here. I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm looking at my 1 minute. So these trades here, we gotta be in and out. We gotta be in and out because we don't know what is gonna happen over the weekend. Anything can happen over the weekend. So it's looking like sellers want it. It's looking like the sellers want it here. Yeah, we got a lot of resistance here from these top wicks on my broker right here above 50.27. 50.27 is a good sell zone. And I mean, if we can catch this right back down to 50-20, that'll be a very key area for us to play around with. Let's see, market's closed. Market's closed here. Okay, we still got our forex open. Forex market's still open for another hour. Right, let's see how that hour closed. Okay, yeah, we have heavy sellers, so the buys are no longer. Okay, made her impulse move. Okay, I'm gonna hop. Ooh, 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 ooh. Might be it, guys. Volume might be gone. Might be done. Yep. So we had an opportunity here. We had an opportunity. We had to be really quick. We had to be really, really quick. But we had a nice opportunity. Showing me a reversal pattern right here. So that's showing me like a morning star, because we have a small candle that's initiating a reversal. 1 minute, 20 seconds. We're at 1 minute. And bam, bro. See, it's that quick. 10-minute move. 10-minute move for, what is that? 7 points. 6 points. So, I mean, no trades today. We missed opportunities today. We weren't ready to execute today. So, I mean, getting yourself, ready to trade is always the best thing that you can do for yourself. You don't want to just hop in the market and just hop in a trade. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta come in the market. You gotta analyze, what's happened, right? And, so once I saw these moves here, I was like, oh, wow, liquidity grabs. Liquidity grabs. You sell high, you buy low. All right, we're going sideways, so we do nothing. We're grinding on the... She's twerking on the midpoint. She's throwing her shit back on the midpoint right now. She want to drop it down on us, but she's trying to go down the line, for real. She want to go down the line before she come on down. So yeah, everything's closing in an hour. We got 50 minutes left. And I really don't want to watch her. I don't want to watch her dance, for real. Because I don't want to throw no dollars at her. I'm trying to take her dollars. Because she made shit. She did some crazy shit. She did some crazy shit today. 5:30. 6:30. So it doesn't matter what happened over here. It's finding these areas over here to the left. You always look left. So up here, there's really nothing to look left to. So we're creating structure. And yeah, she wants to drop that shit down. She wants to drop that shit down for sure. See, the buys that I thought I saw were... We're going up here. But this is a major area of resistance inside of our range. So it's really best to just sit on hands right now, because it's not a lot of momentum and volume in the market right now. We're just, the market did what it wanted to do. We broke past the all-time highs, and we are pricing in new territory, right? So I'm gonna be expecting, this shit to keep on coming down. But ideally, what I'm saying, this is a good area to buy. New York open. I was sleeping. Another area to buy. Look left. Before I pull this over there, I'm looking left, okay? We played in this area, right? Boom. Came back down into our area over here to say what's up. Tried once. We tried twice. Came back down. And we broke. Going for that liquidity spike, right? So liquidity. So man, anyone who was up during that time, if they didn't close out, they had the whole drawdown for a good majority of the day, right? And that's what you want to avoid. You want to avoid, not taking profits or trying to buy that. No, that's how you lose your account, right? So we came on back down. Buyers failed. The buyers failed again, and then the buyers eventually broke out. So bam, 9:30. So the 9 o'clock hour is the best time to get in, to go long. Because you see, we have structure being built up here. But we have, we filled the gap already, right? Because straight shot, 1 kill, right? Midpoint, sell off, area resistance, right? Because liquidity, resistance broke. And it's like I can take this trade, but it's like it's not a high profitability. Like this trade, like how I thought I saw buys, it was like a not 50-50, not a 50-50 move, but you know what I'm saying? It was like, like we had an opportunity right here, but we were gonna have to exit quick. See what I'm saying? So now, we would be at break even if we didn't exit quick. The safest play was right here when I, had the alert, the fake break, came back down really fast, came back down again really fast, and bam, we were gonna have to exit. The safest entry was here, and then we could have, like played it off of the, momentum, got in around 50.22, had our stop loss, like 50.19, and then we was gonna have to get out and get the green. But if we would have, we would have been in around here, we could have had our stop loss trailed maybe around 50.23, but that's super tight, and you can see that we came back down, and it gave another entry. So now we're currently like going sideways, so it could come back down and break even for us if we were in the trade, but we're not in anything here because it's just safe to be cash going into the weekend. And this is all in the 1 minute time frame. This is when you scale down all of these higher time frames to find entry points, because the bigger the time frame is, the less candles that we have. So the less candles is just painting the picture a lot more cleaner. So you see how we had this big ass move, big ass move. And then bam. So, like I said, we're going sideways. She's going down on everybody. Okay, so look, I got my Bitcoin alert going off. So okay, we can leave Spy alone, cause you know what I'm saying. Fuck her. But so Bitcoin is showing me that we're having a hard time getting over 47.7 area of resistance. So now that we've got this alert, we have a play for the weekend. So, you know, everyone's gonna be so focused on Vegas, you know, going out, having a good time, probably, you know, being lit, all that. We can, you know, save our money by not placing any bets on the Super Bowl and keep our eyes on fucking Bitcoin here, guys, because this is what Bitcoin likes to do. It likes to move, you know, when the economy is moving, right? So we have a lot of earnings being pumped into the market right now. So companies are reporting their earnings. Let's see if we can find the earnings calendar for next week. Nice. I usually have a hard time trying to find these. Okay. So Monday is going to be the 12th. Then we got Valentine's Day, Wednesday. And these are all the companies that are going to be reporting next week. Can you spot out any companies that you guys know? Can you spot out any companies that you know? Just, you know, looking at quick glance, day by day, I'm looking at waste management. Okay, Avis. I use Avis. We have Shopify. So okay, week 7 of 2024. This is okay. This is accurate. Shopify, Coca-Cola, Kellogg's. I was just talking to somebody about Moody's. That's funny as hell. Hasbro, Marriott, MGM Resorts. Okay, so MGM's probably going to be on the move because people are going to be in Vegas. We got Airbnb. Wow, I love how they time this shit up. This is amazing. Airbnb, Lyft, Robinhood, Primerica. That's funny as fuck. Kraft Heinz, Sony, Lithia. Okay. Cisco, Udemy, Herbalife, TripAdvisor, Oatly, Wendy's, Shake Shack. John Deere can be a big mover. Crocs. We have Coinbase, Roku. Oh wow, we have DraftKings earnings on Thursday. So DraftKings was something I was looking at this week, but I didn't really like, you know what I'm saying, get to keep my eyes on it like that. So yeah, these are all the names that we got coming up. So what I want to highlight here is, you know, maybe I don't really care about waste management. What I think is really gonna move, what are gonna be movers here are gonna be Shopify, Coca-Cola, Airbnb, MGM. Maybe potentially Sony, John Deere, and Coinbase. Maybe even Roku. Roku made a fucking monster move in December. I was kind of sick that I didn't catch on to that. Roku, DraftKings, and Coinbase. And maybe DoorDash, because Uber kind of just went nuts. And then we have Cinemark, even Yelp. But it's okay. So yeah, we got some not too tech heavy. Not really monster movers besides Coinbase for Thursday for Bitcoin. Coca-Cola not gonna really move the market like that. Shopify potentially can. MGM is gonna have some impact, right? So yeah, okay, so that's that. And see what she end up doing. See guys, like she's not doing anything. She's not doing anything really. No volume. Okay, so I mean, I'm gonna be wrapping this shit up here pretty soon. That's a good job not forcing any trades today. I took about 6 trades on the week. I am gonna have my eyes glued to Bitcoin throughout the weekend. I have my eyes on Bitcoin. I thought I had the alert for every time. $47,465. And my broker over here is showing me 47,544. See, sometimes it should be a little bit off, but that's all right. So I have 490 over here, and I have 540. So this is showing me that it's lower. This could be a nice. This could be this could be a buy to hold, but we gotta see some closure above 47.7, and if we can break and close 47.7, that's gonna be our next alert. So if price over here is at 500 and I'm at 556 on my broker, 47,556 on the broker, 47.5 over here. My broker is up by 50 points. So my broker's here. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we can do 47.6 alert here. I would go in and find another Bitcoin chart with price that's closer, but I already, what I'm saying, got this shit drawn up, and I am trying to get out of here pretty soon. We can say look for buys. So if you guys want to be updated with this trade alert, make sure you follow me on IG at No One Knows Now, because I know how to trade now, and that is a 0 in Noah. Noah Knows Now. Let's blow that up. Okay. Watch. It's Friday. You know what I'm saying? Let's have a good weekend. I'm expecting a pretty good game. Let's make sure, everyone stays safe. Let's be on high alert. And just know that, there's going to be a lot of money flowing in the economy this weekend. There's, millions of people betting on this one game. A lot of money going to be flowing in the economy, this whole week. You know what I'm saying? Valentine's Day, people are going to be spending money. All that. Flowers, chocolates, plush toys. you know, all that kind of stuff, you know, eating out, restaurants, alcohol, candy. Did I see? Yeah. So like, okay, let's equate those companies, and so we can equate Coca-Cola in there. Maybe Hasbro. That's a toy company. We already said MGM. Just the ketchup. Oh yeah, not too many names. You know, maybe DoorDash. DoorDash people, you know, people are gonna, you know what I'm saying, send shit to their ex. Not me. Lyft. You know what I'm saying? You might, you know, might send her a nice Lyft. You know what I'm saying? Crocs, people, you know what I'm saying, might get some, you know, gifts. Airbnb. Nice. Yeah, guys. So I mean, you know, that's what this shit is. You know what I'm saying? This shit moves how we move, and you know, it's very essential to, you know, understand like what's happening in the bigger picture, right? I can't believe I had my fucking shit mute for like 15 minutes, bro. That shit is embarrassing. Okay, but yeah, if we break above this, this is a risky buy. This is a, you know, just a way sexier buy right here. But I do want to point out this liquidity up here. Right, stay away from buying high. Let's try to focus on buying low. So I ideally we would like to see, let's, ideally I would like to see something like boom, 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 boom. You know, just some minor sideways action. Shit. To fucking, you know what I'm saying, let this motherfucker rip back up, right? So let's change that to look out, fake out. Look out, fake out bulls. Look out, fake out bulls. Look out, fake out bulls. Bam. So there's that, baby. Hope you guys enjoyed this power hour stream. This was a last minute idea for me. Had a little fun last night. I'm really proud of myself today, not forcing any trades. And I don't know, find out if I'm gonna get into this Bitcoin move, but just know that when you guys get the notification that Bitcoin's at 50K, shit, Sunday during the game, just remember you heard it here first. So make sure you guys follow me on my IG at No One Knows Now, at No One Knows Now. Make sure you guys follow me. I'll post my I'll update this trade on IG. And yeah, I think that's just gonna be it. We got our alert set. I mean, there's one. Let's do that. We pushed 48. There's our top. There's our midpoint. Top, midpoint. And here's our low in the channel. Very, very safe buy. Very, very, very safe buy here. Very safe area to buy in. I'm on 15. It's all for price action. And you see how sloppy this shit gets. So yeah, guys, initially, you know what I'm saying, we're looking for a break above 48,000. Like we got the alert. Oh, Bitcoin's at 48,000. Okay, boom. Got motherfuckers to buy in high. And what do? They liquidate buyers. So people are holding drawdown, trying to chase. People holding drawdown, trying to chase this move that they missed. Whoever, you know what I'm saying, bought in here, if you bought in here, you're good. Even if you bought in here, you're really good to, you know what I'm saying, hold this motherfucker over the weekend. Yeah. This is gonna be it for me. Everything's closed. Everything's sitting above all-time highs. We got money coming into the economy, so I'm looking for this the rally to continue. See how she's not doing anything, guys? Like I'm telling you, you gotta know the cycles of the market. You gotta know, you know, what time it is, what's happening. You know, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You become one with the chart. And you gotta always be in position. You gotta stay ready so you don't gotta get ready. And yes, sir. I'm gonna do this shit again on another another Bitcoin chart here. Resistance. That was a nice ass move. Around 10:30, I was at the gym. Got this alert here. I was like, damn. I wonder if anybody know Bitcoin's at 48,000. Boom, nice exit there. It would have been a beautiful exit. But yes sir. Bop, 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 bink. So that's what I'm looking for. So you leave it on every time, because if I leave it on only once, it's not gonna tell me again for the, you know, the retest. So let's say buyers. And at this point, guys, there's nothing else to do but to go and, you know, get better. So I hope everyone enjoyed this stream. We're gonna call it here. It's going on 1:30 on Friday, and let's try to make some money this weekend.